Question 34 is from surface areas and volumes. It's got an internal choice. We got video solution to both these parts in the same video. Let's get started. Both are interesting, good questions. A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold the pens. Let's look at the diagram, right? So this is a cuboid. Each has got a conical depression so that the pens can be plugged into it to hold the pens, right? The dimensions of the cuboid are 15, 10, 3.5. Okay, so let's just mark it here. 15, 10, and 3.5. All of these are in centimeters. The radius of each of the depressions is 0.5 centimeters and the depth is 1.4. Find the volume of wood in the entire stand. Right. First, let's find out the volume of the wood had this pen stand, had this cuboid not had any of these conical depressions. We'll find that out. From that, we're going to subtract the volume of 4 of these cones, each of which the radius is equal to, what's the radius of the cone? 0.5, and the depth is equal to 0.5 centimeters, and the depth, which is the height, is equal to 1.4 centimeters. So essentially, we'll subtract the volume of 4 such cones from the volume of this cuboid. So volume of cuboid, let's find out. Volume of cuboid is equal to length into width into height. What is the length? Length is equal to 15 times 10 times 3.5, which is equal to 15 into 35. 350 plus 175, which is 525 centimeter cube. So found out if there had been no depressions, what will be the volume. Now we're going to find out the volume of one cone, right? Volume of one cone is equal to 1 by 3 into pi, which is 22 by 7, into r square. What is r? R is 0.5. I'll write it as 1 by 2 to make calculations easy. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, r squared, into h, which is equal to 1.4. 1.4 will cancel with the 7 to leave us with a 5. 2 will get cancelled with this to leave us with 11. So what we have is 11 divided by 3 into 5, 15 into 2, 30. 11 by 30 centimeter cube is the volume of one such cone. We've got 4 pens to be held, so we'll have 4 such cones. We'll have to subtract all of those volumes. So the volume of the pen stand, is equal to 525, which is the volume of the rectangular block, minus 4 times 11 by 30 will cancel out as a 2 and a 15. So 525 minus 22 by 15. 22 by 15, 22.5 by 15 is approximately 1.5. So you can round it off as a 1.5. 525 minus 1.5 will make it as 523.5 centimeter cube, which is the volume of the wood used in the pen stand. Part 2. This is also from surface areas and volumes. We'll look at the solution right away. Ramesh made a bird bath for his garden in the shape of a cylinder with a hemispherical depression at one end. Okay, so this is a cylindrical vessel. It's a bird bath, so the bottom is not going to have anything in it, so the water just can go off. It's got a hemispherical depression. Okay, what else data is given to us? The height of the cylinder is 1.45 meters. Okay, and the radius is 30 centimeters. Find the total surface area of the bird bath. Total surface area 1 is going to have the curved surface area of the cylinder, right? This part. If this is a cylinder, the curved surface area is there. There's nothing at the bottom, so the water can actually drain down. And then we have this hemispherical place where we're going to have the curved surface area of the hemispherical part, so the birds can be made to sit here and the bath can happen, right? So this is, you're going to have a total surface area which is going to include 1 curved surface area of cylinder. To that, we are going to add the curved surface area of the hemisphere. If we add these two, we'll essentially get the curved surface, the total surface area of the bird bath. Let's get started with the first part. Curved surface area of cylinder. The formula is equal to 2 pi RH. So this is 2 pi. We'll write the value of pi a little while later as 22 by 7. R is equal to 30 and H is equal to 1.45 meters. We'll write it as 145 centimeters because all units will be in centimeters now. Curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi R square. We'll keep the 2 pi common outside. R square basically becomes 30 into 30. So 2 pi into 30 is common when we are adding these two because we need to add these two to find out the total surface area of the bird bath. So the total surface area of bird bath is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 30. So taken this part which is common to both into 145 plus a 30 is what we have, 145 plus 30. So this total surface area is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 30. 2 into 22 by 7 into 30 into 175 is what we have. 175 is divisible by 7, so this will leave us with a 25. So this is 2 into 25 is 50 into 22 into 3, which is equal to 660 is what we have, which is 3,300, 660 into 5, another 0, 33,000 centimeter square is what we have as the answer, right? So 33,000 centimeter square, you want it in meter square. 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meters. So 100 square, 10,000 is what we need to divide it by. Will leave us with an answer which is 33.3 meter square. Either you can write the surface area, total surface area in centimeter square as 33,000 centimeter square, or in terms of meters by dividing it by 100 square, which is a 10,000, to arrive at the answer, which is 3.3 meter square.
Before you leave, I want you to do two things. One, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE Class 10 Math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. So get it done today. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel if you already haven't, and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. And also, spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.